I've got my spring Goldie Boxed. So if you want to see what's inside and hear what I did to get it so late, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but Summer will be here soon and we'll be here all together more often. And if you're new, thank you so much for spending a little time with me and checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. I so appreciate each and every one of you. I'm a little behind with answering comments. I do try to read them all. And I do try to respond to them all, but sometimes I'm a little backlogged with just a lot of stuff going on. It's the end of the school year and it's just a little hectic. And speaking of which, this is my spring Goldie Boxed. So I went on and I made my choices and I thought I hit checkout. And I saw everybody getting their Goldie Box. I'm like, I haven't gotten mine yet. What's going on? Where's my box? I kind of put it in the back of my head, didn't think about it. Then I got an email from Jess. So the owner, Jess, has her own show, Everything Proof Beauty, and she started up this subscription box, and I absolutely love it. She emailed me and said, you haven't made your choices, and I was like, that's really weird, because I did. I must not have hit checkout. That's all I can think of, because I don't know why, but I did it right this time. Got all of the same choices, so I was happy about that. There was one thing that was sold out, but it wasn't one of my choice items. That was the Chickadee moisturizer, which I thought looked good, but I have so many beauty products that I wanted to get some different things in here. It's not to say I didn't pick up at least one beauty product, because you know I did. If you know what's in this box, or what one of the choices were, you know I had to get that. But I do try to kind of focus on some different items, unless it's something I'm like, oh, I really want to try that. And one of the great things is that Jess goes over all of the choice items and like tells you why she chose it, which often is a selling point, because you don't always know that much about an item or a brand, but then when she talks about her experiences with it, that typically sells me. So I was like on the fence about the moisturizer, but then I don't think I put it in my box the first time. I think I was looking at it again the second time. I was like, all right, well, I got a second chance to kind of look at stuff, but it was sold out. So it wasn't anything I even had to worry about. So currently there are 12 things to choose from. And if you're a gold bear, you get to choose, I believe it's 7. And if you're a silver bear, I believe it's 6. And a bronze bear is 4. And then she does throw in extra items. So there is a bronze, silver, and gold item that she throws in. So if you're bronze, you only get the bronze one. If you're silver, you get the silver and the bronze. And if you're gold, you get all 3, which, you know, I have to go gold. I don't want to miss out. I don't want to have any FOMO. Now, originally there were more items. I think it was like 18. I kind of like that she went down to 12 because it was so much harder with 18, because I was like, I want this and I want this and I want this. And at that time, there wasn't an option to do extras. So now what she does is, while there's only 12 choices, after choice is made, she will email the gold bears first and say, okay, if you would like to add on any of the items that are available, it's $8. And she gives you like a list of what items. So I was kind of hoping, because she had alluded to the fact that there was an item from a previous box that she might make available in those choices, but unfortunately it wasn't there, because I hadn't gotten them before, but had wanted to get them, but we'll get into that. So she does put in a pretty tissue wrap that you can reuse, which I always do. And it goes with the season. So spring season, we got some spring flowers. There is a little flyer. You can just get a digital flyer. I get the flyer so that I can kind of give you guys more information while I'm going over it. But you can certainly go paperless. And for every box she sells, one tree is planted. So there's that. On her website, she also has a shop that you can go in and purchase stuff, and mystery boxes. A lot of times she has like a previous season's 2 for $30, so you get 2 mystery boxes with 3 to 4 items in each for $30, which is a great deal. And it's always great stuff. Like, I've never been like, I'm always floored by it. And a lot of times it's stuff that I didn't choose, but I'm so excited to see. And then she also has an option to donate to a women's shelter. And I'm getting hot, I'm getting all red, but we're going to get through this anyway. All right, so this is your sneak peek. You don't see too much, but you see a little bit. I pulled out the thing on top so that you could see it. This I thought was so neat. It's a 15-minute Pamper Me kit for instant glow, hair, face, eye, hand, and foot masks. So I was super excited for this one. So there's one of each. There is a 15-minute hair mask for damage repair, a 15-minute collagen sheet mask for firming, a 15-minute tea tree sheet mask for soothing, a 15-minute hyaluronic acid sheet mask for moisturizing, a 15-minute eye mask for firming, a 15-minute hand mask for moisturizing, and a 15-minute foot mask for moisturizing. So I thought that was really cool. This is manufactured for Bonsai Living Incorporated, made in Korea, Nature. For natural and moisturize is what it says. You'll see me take my glasses off and put them back on. When I have to read something, I have to have them on, but then otherwise I can't, if it's not reading it, I can't see them on. So these are what you get, all of these. All right, super excited, and that is a $15 value. Next, by Apology, this is a marine biphase makeup remover that works on waterproof makeup for sensitive skin. It's made in France, so you're going to shake it up to get that mixture together, otherwise it separates to that biphase. And I can always use a makeup remover, like 100% all the time. Yes, please. And you know what you can do with this? Not this one because it's a biphase one, but with your regular like micellar water, if you have like a nice little container, maybe like this big, you can put some in there, cut your Q-tips in half, and then put the soaked insides in there so that you can just take it out and, like, when you make a mistake, just do a little dab. That's a $24 value. Next, by World Finds, is their Ethical Style, Empowering Women Through Fair Trade. So this is a company that works globally. This is made in India, and it's a $22 value, and it's this really pretty scarf. I thought it was really pretty. I don't know, maybe you guys don't think it is, but I think it is. I really like it. So I think that's really pretty. Kind of like jazzes up this little t-shirt. I like it. Of course, that's why I put it in my box, because I saw it as a spoiler and I was like, that's going in my box. All right, next by Bella Pierre is the 35 color eyeshadow Emerald City palette. And so you know that had to go in here. All right, so these are the colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And she was wearing it, and I was like, what is she wearing on her eyes? And then when she finally spoiled this, I was like, oh my God, she's got that palette on. And it's just so gorgeous on. And Bella Pierre is a really nice brand. It is a cruelty-free brand. This palette here is a $50 value. It's a nice size one too. All right, next by Fenna and Faye, and I did get this in 2 varieties, and they're $18 each. I got the bangle bracelets. And I got the opal and the lilac, and these are in the, I think medium large. So they did have size options. So if you had a smaller wrist, that would work. So this was what she had. She had some earrings, some hoop earrings in a similar shade to this. And so she had hinted that she might offer that as an add-on, but unfortunately she must not have had enough to do that. And I haven't even seen them. I think I looked in the shop and I didn't see them. I could have passed them by though. But I do like these. And you know, I love bracelets. These are made out of acetate. What does it say? Cellulose acetate, and they're biodegradable. Oh, Italian acetate. Fancy. I just thought they were pretty, and I love bracelets, and I can wear bracelets to work. So I thought, let me snag those. And then the last item here, and I don't need another cup. I'll tell you right now. My husband will be like, why do we have another cup? But I thought this was super cute, and Chloe loves lemons. This may actually just go put away for her for the future. But this is by Studio, and it is a stainless steel one, which I love because they keep your beverage cold or hot. And super, super cute. Does come with a straw right here. That is a 17-ounce cup, and it is a $25 value. All right, so next we go on to the bonus items. All right, so the first item is by Studio. It's the bath salts in cherry blossom. Relax, restore, and rejuvenate. And love cherry blossom. This is a $5 value, and it says you could be used in 1 to 2 baths. I can't really smell it through here, but I do love cherry blossom. Next, by Puka, this is the Silver Bear item. This is the Carpe Diem A5 Daily Planner Pad. But what I like about this is you can just tear off the pages. So you can use it by the day where you have things that you want to get done, and then you can just tear it off when you're done. And this is a $9 value. Undated, and I just think the colors in here are so, so pretty. Now last is the Gold Bear exclusive, and this is by Zule Kitchen, and it's a spoon rest, a wooden spoon rest. So they did have like this wooden fork and spoon kind of like salad tossing kit. So I'm wondering if that's the same brand. Let me look. Oh no, it's not the same brand, but it definitely, just from this picture, looks like they would go nicely together. All right, here it is. It's a nice size, and it even has little feet on the bottom. And this is a $22.99 value. So, wow, that's like very, very generous as just being like one of the extras she throws in there. So I just love this box. I'm delighted that I can support somebody, you know, a YouTuber who decided I want to get into this. So I'm delighted that I can support somebody in, you know, a small business in her goals and her dreams. And I love what she puts out. I mean, if I didn't like it, I wouldn't, you know, continue getting it. I'd be like, well, you know, I gave it a try. I didn't really like it, but she does such a great job. If you're interested, check out her website. It's Goldie Boxed, and you can pick from, you know, a surprise bear, which is 3 items, and it's, I think, maybe $24, all the way up to the gold bear, which is what I get, which is on the pricier side, but you do definitely get it back, and you're getting products that I think you're just going to love. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.